Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to Niana Guerrero. It should be a vlog, no? This crosswalk concert with SB19. I don't know. I don't know. Are they going to do a concert? It's a crosswalk, like a flash mob or something. But yeah. Actually, we just finished watching the show Break for All episode 4. Actually, kakatatapos lang talaga. And this is the recommended video after nun. No? So I'm so excited. I'm so curious. As I said, I'm excited. No, I feel like meron nang nag-request nito dati. Naalala ko lang nung nag-recommend lumabas siya sa recommended video. So we're going to watch it. No, we're going to watch it. Well, without further ado, man, let's get it.
Sa mga motorists, sana hindi uminit ang ulo nila at sagasaan kami.
Oh! May mga nakasimangot na. I mean, we don't actually know kung nakasimangot sila kasi na-blurred yung mukha nila, no? Pero I assume that's what they are trying to do in this video. Kasi yung tig ganung music. Okay, so okay, crosswalk concert nga sila talaga. Saan nila gagawin to? Todo titig naman yan, no? Saan to? Ito, BGC?
Go!
Let's go. 1, 2.
Where the party people at?
What is up, party people? I am with
Party people.
Let's go! So actually, SB19 and I have been talking about collabing for a while now, and now it's actually happening! The previous vlog in my channel, I played the Who's Most Likely to challenge with SB19.
Oh!
Nasira ang SB19, si Niana.
May kasalanan.
They even taught me the dance.
1, 2, 3.
They even taught me to dance? Come on, man. Let's be real in here. I mean, maybe they taught me to dance with their song, like the choreography for the song. But come on, man. Yana, we all know that you are dancing since when you were like a fetus, man.
19
Nasira ang SB19, si Niana.
May kasalanan.
They even taught me the dance.
1, 2, 3. Bintana sa akin na sa wakas. Pinetics lang ni Niana.
Kinet-
Sobra.
And ever since I posted this story, a lot of people were making their theories about us, whether we're collabing with a normal challenge video or an actual SB19 X Niana song. I don't know.
Oh, man. They did Try Not to Laugh. I wanna watch that.
What?
Actually today, tatawid kami ng kalsada. So yes, we are gonna do a crosswalk concert performance. Dancing to SB19 hit song. Sobrang hype ako, T. You know what? Let's go. We've seen Hollywood do it for years now. And I was like, why not try and be the first one in our country? Let's get ready.
Oh, okay. So,
Very nervous because ang hirap.
saan nila ginawa to, no? I feel like sa BGC siya eh. Pero, I don't know.
Ng steps, SB19 pa nagturo sa akin.
Oh, sorry. Sobra.
Hopefully I get the steps right later. Kuya Kevin, Ate Tin, let's go. Alright! And we are ready. As you can see, fit check. Kinakabahan ako. Fit check. You know what? Actually, one of my fears is actually crossing the street. I have to have someone hold my hand, you know? I don't like the feeling of
Talaga ba?
cars in front of me. It's a day that I also face my fear.
Kunwari.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Bilis! Ayan na! Got any tips for me crossing the street?
Just look at both sides.
Look both sides while I'm dancing, yeah. Let's call Kuya. I don't think he knows what we're up to today. Nagpalit pala ako, guys. I changed my mind right away. Yes, hello? Hello, where are are you? Guess what I'm doing today? I'm gonna
Si
do a
Ran Sky.
crosswalk performance. James Corden with BTS, but I'm doing it with SB19. Okay, bye. Enjoy with your date. What is up, party people?
So, ayan, tapos naman nila si Rans Kyle, no?
I'm with SB19. Let's
go.
We're about to perform on a crosswalk. Na-rehearse niyo ba ulit?
Boom, lagot.
Galing kaming ibang performance, so narumble-rumble na yun.
I mean, come on, man. Let's be real here, Josh. Alam naman namin kayang-kaya niyong sayawin yan kahit biglaan. I mean, I guess, mas like 110% kung pinagandaan talaga. Pero, come on, man. Alam nating lahat, no? Na kahit galing kayo sa ibang concert, iba yung pinarform nyo, kayang-kaya niyong sayawin yan. Pag nag-aalo nga sila, di ba? Pag random dance play, di ba? Kahit nga hindi nyo kanta eh. Kahit kanta ng iba, tsaka choreography ng iba, sabay-sabay pa rin kayo.
Galing kaming ibang performance, so narumble-rumble na yun.
Nakakapon yung buong araw ko rehearse.
Pag nasira ang SB19, si Diana ang may kasalanan.
Ako na bahala niya. Magkakalaman ni Jam eh. Solo lang.
Sige, ako na.
Solo talaga.
I think we're ready. Let's ride our scooters and go to the crosswalk.
Swerte naman ng mga tao sa crosswalk ngayon, no? I mean, isa to sa mga pinaka-enjoyable na stoplight na mararanasan mo, no? Dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, sobrang traffic. Sobrang daming stoplight. Ito yung pinaka-masayang stoplight siguro maranasan mo sa buong buhay mo. You have Niana in SB19 at the same time. Doing concert, I don't know where, but sa crosswalk, no? Yeah, BGC, let's go.
Okay, so we got our scooters right here. Bam! We're gonna use this going to the crosswalk. Let's go to the crosswalk. Follow me.
Nice. Ang gandang touch nun, no? Na nilagay niya yung parang sa parang background music nila. Okay, props. Ayun nag-edit. By the way, let's be honest. Sa mga dati pang 18, no, during this time. Ano ba to? Is this like a surprise concert sa crosswalk? Like surprise performance lang nila? O parang marami na nakakaalam bago ba siya mangyari? Like marami ng 18 nang nakaabang sa paligid, no, na panoorin yung mangyayari. Kasi I feel like pag sa mga pinapakita nilang footage, di ba? Kasi parang parang di masyadong crowded. Pero I feel like kung in-advertise nila or pinromote nila na, hey, we're going to do like a crosswalk or mini concert in a crosswalk. May pupunong ang BGC.
The plan is we perform facing here. Hindi pa, wala pa. Chill lang kami. Nag-go eh. Daming tao? Let's go! Sheesh! Yeah. Ready naman tayo? Mag-stretching na tayo sa bed. Kaya ba natin today? Kayang-kaya. We start with what?
What?
Yun lang yun. The next go na yun.
Oh, get in the zone, break. Ganun eh.
Shoot!
Let's go! This is Niana B19.
This is Niana B19.
Ba't kinakabahan ako?
Huh? Oh! Ay, mga nakaabang na nga eh. Nakaabang na nga. Let's go! Okay.
Let's go, Rihanna!
Yung mukha ni Kuya eh. What the hell? Ano nangyari? Meron.
Let's go, Rihanna!
Hey! So, hihinto na rin. At ang si basura. Hey! Wow! Ay. Nasa muna ang tening. Balik ko ng diwa. Go na, nag-go na. Nag-go na. Ay.
Guys, nice!
Sakto yun ah. Sakto yun ah.
Tama.
Nakakahype pala. Parang gusto ko ito. Tuloy, parang stop muna kayo dyan. Hi guys, we are moving
Huwag muna
to
kayo
the other
mag-continue.
side of the
Ah,
coffee
okay.
shop because there seems to be more cars, so I think it's more worth it if we perform in front of them. So
Ah,
we
yeah,
forgot
sure.
that it's very hot in the Philippines. Tignan mo yung mga outfit namin, no? Mga jacket. Mainit pala sa Pinas. So now we're off to the second song. Nagulat ako.
Swerte na. Swerte yung mga tatawid lang, no? Swerte nila, no? Bazinga! Let's go!
Second part.
Sa ibang crosswalk na to, no?
Ready po.
Wait. Nasa harapan talaga siya ng mga ano, ng mga nakahinto na yun. Di ko naman. Ayan o, sa kanila. Wait lang. Ayan, so nasa harapan nga sila kasi dito yung cameraman eh, no? Nasa gilid. I assume nasa harapan talaga sila. Okay. Got you. Ayan. Ayan.
He's holding his phone! It's filming!
Hey, let's go! Yung mga naka no? Let's go!
He's holding his phone! It's filming!
Hey! that dap though, man, swabe. Swabe, ginanon lang eh, no? Hindi
Let's go, Rihanna!
Aray ka. Turn up the heat.
Let's go, guys!
Hey! Look at you. Swerte ng mga to.
Nice one! That was a good one! Thank you po! Okay guys, pupunta muna kami sa van. Hollywood ang pet! Hi po!
Wala na, dumadami na yung tao, no? Yung pinakaulan lang crosswalk, parang hindi pa ganun kadami, pero ngayon, ang dami na!
We
They
just
need to
finished two
chill
songs,
out, no?
and now we're off to this last song. How we feeling?
Hungry?
Hungry, of course.
Siyempre,
Let's go.
before we do our last song, punta muna tayo sa Active ni Nayana para kumain ng Casino!
Next performance natin is Go Out. To perform that, we need to go out.
Ba't ganun? Casino lang nasa utak.
Good luck to us. Saka presence of mind sa mga leaders natin. At maraming nanonood ng mga motorists. Sana hindi uminit ang ulo nila at sagasaan kami.
Ayun na. Go up, the OG! Let's go! Let's go, yeah!
Yeah, we gonna go up.
Oh man, it's been a long time, no? Suling pinanggawa tong go up? What the hell? There we gonna go. Hey. Nakita. Hey, hey, we go up. Yeah, go. Hey. Go up. Let's go. Green na, green.
We just finished our crosswalk performance. How was it, guys? Great. There's many people actually. A lot of people were filming and everything. I'm now seeing videos on TikTok and Twitter right now. It's crazy. Such an honor to perform.
With Niana. With the one and only Niana.
Nice, man.
We're actually on the way to a restaurant to eat.
Yes, finally.
Para kumain ng
Casino.
So we need to eat. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It was fun.
Ang maganda pa yun, libre na niya.
Alright, well, again, that's Crosswalk Concert with SB19, no? Niana Guerrero. Yeah. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy yun doon. Enjoy panoorin yung vlog na yun. And, habang mapapansin mo talaga na habang tumatagal na, like, yung sa first, second, and third performance sila, patabi yung tao, you know? Alam mong marami na nakakapansin. And also, of course, marami nang nag-post yung social media. Malamang marami nang pumunta, no? Again, Tao Pilipino naman is good sport sa mga ganyang bagay, no? And, I don't know kung may nagko-control ba ng stoplight, pero sakto no? don't know kung sinadya yung control yung stoplight na kung kailan siya mag-green for that performance. But sulit din naman, no, kahit tumagal ng konting segundo, yung medyo kung tumagal ng mas matagal pa sa normal yung pag-stop. Kasi medyo, Niana yung SB19, mapag-perform sa harapan mo. Magkano yan sa Magkano yan sa Philippine Arena? Ilang libo yan sa Philippine Arena. Tapos doon nakaupo ka lang. Nasa kotse ka lang nakaupo ka. No? Nasa harapan mo pa. At the same time, no, hindi ko pa sinadyang pumunta doon kasi dadaan ka naman talaga doon, no, di ba? But yeah, enjoy ko yun, no? Also, yung format ng vlog ni Niana dito, yung mga editing is very 2002, 2003. Anong year ba to? 2002, tuloy 2022. 2022. Yung mga era na 2020, 2021, 2022. Yung mga vlogging edits is ganito, no? Ito yung mga pakasok ng jokes and pinapa-upload yung mga clips, no? Alam mo kung anong era ng vlogging. But, well, that's a wrap for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mag-react with yung artist, band, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You stay awesome. Peace.